Hello everyone. First of all, thank you very much for coming. We are going to present Lean Canvas today. This is our agenda for this presentation. We will begin with introducing ourselves and continue with the most important issues of Lean Canvas. Then we will give some resources and successful companies with this methodology. Lastly, we will finish our presentation with the conclusion part. Hello again, my name is Mert Aybar. I'm a 4th grade mechanical engineering student.
Hello, my name is Batuhan Atish. I am a 4th grade industrial engineering student.
Hello, my name is Mert Özkaya. I am a 4th grade mechanical engineering student.
What is a Lean Canvas? Basically, Lean Canvas is a one-page business model tool created by Ash Maurya that helps you deconstruct your idea into its key and most risky assumptions. It replaces detailed business plans with a single-page business model. Lean Canvas can often be confused with the business plan model, but there are some differences. Its original version is the business plan model, left-hand side of the slide, but Ash Maurya finds some points unnecessary and changes them to other points, and the resulting plan is called Lean Canvas. The differences between two plans are as follows. Key partners turn into problems box. Key activities turn into solutions. Key resources turn into key metrics. Customer relationships turn into an unfair advantage. As you can see in the slide, the numbers on the boxes represent the filling order of the canvas. Let me explain the definitions of the boxes in the filling order. First of all, we need to start with the customer segment box. You can write your target audience, whose problems you want to solve, and the audience that will enable you to enter the market quickly, separately. The second box is problem, and it's interconnected with customer segments, and they cannot be considered separately. In this box, you can write up to 3 problems that you plan to solve for your customer segment. The third box is revenue streams. Here you need to specify how you will price your work. You can also write down your promotions and free trials, etc. Fourth box is solution. Finding solutions to problems and doing it realistically with the right methods can be a golden key for the use of your product. The only point to be considered is the way you seek solutions. The fifth box is unique value proposition. Write down your most important distinguishing and prominent feature that you think will take you one step ahead of your competitors and make your target audience prefer your product. Sixth box is channels. Choosing channels for your sales and marketing according to the market you will serve, such as social media, influencers, content marketing, email, etc., will allow you to be more aggressive in creating your expansion strategy. Seventh box is key metrics. Most businesses need some key metrics to monitor their performance. You should also make a list of key metrics that you see as success for your business. Eighth box is cost structure. You can write down all the operational costs that will arise during and after the implementation of your venture here. Ninth and last box is unfair advantage. You can write down your features specific to your venture that you think set you apart from your competitors and they cannot easily copy. Additionally, we can understand Ash Maurya's intention to create this plan by this quotation. My approach to making the canvas actionable was capturing that which was most uncertain, or more accurately, that which was most risky. And my friend Matt will continue.
Why Lean Canvas is important? The Lean Canvas allows a problem solution strategy to be easily described on a paper. It helps to put ideas into perspective and serve as a guide for startups to validate their hypotheses. The Lean Canvas's ultimate goal is to help startup founders avoid costly failure where they build products with no takers. Although a measured advantage of the Lean Canvas is the speed which allows founders to communicate their ideas. Where can we use it? Lean Canvas is a simple approach, focusing on solving one problem at a time. It can be used when you are starting from scratch and helps you brainstorm solutions. It's a good way to start if you want to identify a problem first and derive your product from that. Lean Startup can be given as an example of usage areas of Lean Canvas. For example, you are starting a startup. For this startup to be successful, you need to master every dynamics from the overall perspective. This is where Lean Canvas comes into play. It lets you see the big picture by quickly fitting complex dynamics into just one sheet of paper. Therefore, Lean Canvas is a great importance for Lean startups. How to create benefits. Whether you are talking to investors or giving an update to your team, built-in presenter tools allows you to efficiently document and communicate your progress. Working with remote developers enables the streamlining of the product development phase, and companies of all sizes are there in a position to reap the benefits while minimizing the risks. Companies should not get obsessed with the idea of creating the perfect product in the very beginning. The ability to gain feedback and the need for flexibility and innovation should be the priority, and we believe that working with remote developers enables this.
Resources on this subject. If I want to talk about the related resources for this subject, of course, there are several resources. Informative videos and examples on YouTube, articles on Amazon, templates on the web, and courses that can be registered on LinkedIn. Learning can be cited as the main sources on this subject. Apart from the resources, of course, the creator of this plan should not be passed without adding Ash Maurya. Some successful examples. Google's story began with two guys spending hours in a garage trying to build the right thing. Another couple of friends, the featured Airbnb founders, were short on cash and looking for a way to earn some. Facebook, YouTube, Amazon can all boast similar bootstrapping origins. In modern terminology, they are lean startups that turned unicorns. These products have passed through the stage of a minimum viable product and managed to get over $1 billion of valuation. The lean methodology, known for the introduction of different product management tools like Lean Canvas, became popular after these mentioned giants were already well on their way to success, and it's most likely that their stories formed the backbone of this advanced mindset. In conclusion, you can think of the Lean Canvas as a brief summary of your business idea that needs to be constantly updated. Try to keep it up to date with your research, analysis, and ideas. In case of any crisis, it will allow you to take quick action and see the issues that you can think about and that you should not miss in a single file. That's why it's very important that you keep it up to date and fill it with as much accurate information as possible. These are our references. Thank you for listening. If you have any questions, we can answer them.